It's a beautiful morning. Lot of birds. They're always there to welcome the dawn. Sun is yet to be visible. I remember a line from Tagore. I don't recall the exact line. It goes something like, faith is a bird that sings before the dawn, even when it is pitch dark. I'm not sure these are exactly the lines, but that's the spirit of it. That explains what faith is, which is different from belief. Faith is a foreknowledge. Something in you knows ahead of time. Light is coming. The sun will rise. And the beauty of poetry is that in such a potent image, in such a short, crisp line, it can convey something so profound and simple. Something so close to our heart. Something that the soul knows. The soul has foreknowledge of what is yet to come. And it is this part that gives us the intuition in the heart. There is a part of our being that knows our mission in the world, purpose of our birth. Why am I here on this earth? What's my purpose? What's my work? What makes me come alive? And that cannot be found by thinking, because the thought belongs to the mind, which is only an instrument of expression, not an instrument of knowledge. Listen to that beat of the bird. Something in our heart beats rhythmically. Listening to the rhythms and the flow. That's where the music is, music of life. There is a rhythm, there is a flow, there is a knowing that is deep within the body. an instinctive knowledge deep within that precedes thought. Thought is lucky when it is able to get a glimpse of it, catch hold of it, or listen to that beat, listen to that rhythm, and sing along, allowing the flow to be, to express itself in words. Then mind is doing a good job. It is allowing life to express itself through it. And deep in the heart, deep in the life, there is this beautiful longing for love, longing for light, longing for truth, longing for goodness, longing for joy. That is the soul. That flame, that's the pillar of our evolutionary growth. The knower of all births, Agni, Jatavedas. That's my wind chime.